doing a makeup collection video, and a lot of people have been requesting this video. So here is all my makeup in my filming room that I keep right behind me. So we're gonna go by a drawer and show you what's in it. So let's get started. So in here, and only in the second drawer, we have some extra eyeshadows that were overflowing. So that's basically it, and we keep extras and eyelashes in here, and the rest of them. Next is moving up here. We got some eyeshadows, some eyebrow stuff, the Stila pigments, concealers, eyeshadow primers, and face primers. Then up here we have liquid lipsticks, more liquid lipsticks, the lip crayons, the like lip melting palette, and like the ones that have like that kind of squeeze from Too Faced. And here we have lip glosses, chapsticks, lip scrubs, more lip glosses, and lipsticks. Then up here we have our stuff for Halloween. These are like little plastic things that you put in the hot water and then you can make stuff. And here's our Coraline button. And yeah. Then we have like hot glue gun, paints, little brushes, Q-tips, glue, Vaseline, latex, and a bunch of other stuff for Halloween. Up here we have mascara, eyeliner, more brow stuff, some more eyeliners, some setting powders, and these are all our foundations, drugstore and high-end. Up here we have some brushes, and here we have beauty sponges, and then here we have like high-end powders. These are like the sponges we don't really use. And then we have some drugstore powders. And here we have primers and setting sprays. And here we keep some eyeshadow palettes. And then we have some brushes. More brushes. 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 These are like eyeshadow brushes. And these are all our new products that we haven't used yet. So in our first IKEA drawer we have ColourPop eyeshadows, and this is just beautiful. And then we have some NYX palettes. And here we have some drugstore palettes. And we keep these things in there. Then we have some more eyeshadow palettes, like drugstore brands, and we have these little dividers. These are like Wet n Wild. These are e.l.f. and MAC. My lips are buzzing. Here's nothing, and here's nothing. And here we got bronzers from NYX, ColourPop, KKW, Pretty Vulgar, Revlon, Morphe. And here's all of our highlighters, most of them. There's Ulta, Kylie, Laura Mercier, Bobbi Brown, Anastasia, Too Faced, Revolution, Color FX. And here we have some blushes. We have like Too Faced, Sephora, Physicians Formula, NARS, blush quads, and these are like all the palettes. Here is our individual blushes or some blush tints. There's NARS, Becca, Milani. And here we got some more blushes. These are like MAC, ColourPop. Yeah. And like Too Faced. Some more like tints. And then here we just have some of our highlighters again. Over here we have some paint pots, crayons, Milani eyeshadows, some liquid eyeshadow, mainly single eyeshadows. And here we have some eyeshadow palettes. These are some higher end brands like Huda, Makeup Forever, Anastasia, Lorac, MAC. Here's some more. There's like Shade Light, Lorac, It Cosmetics, Anastasia, MAC, Juvia's. Here we have some Urban Decay palettes, the Volt palette, more Shade and Light palettes, MAC, Urban Decay. Mostly these are Urban Decay in here. We have some like BH Cosmetics, Morphe, Crown, Revolution. All these are Revolution. This is Ulta. Then we have some like Sigma, the Reeler, and MUA. So these are just some like lower end brands. This is like Shop Miss A. And yeah. So we have like a Juvia palette, a Shannon XO palette from BH, a Too Faced palette, a MAC palette, or no, that's a Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and yeah. Now we have some makeup over here. This stuff is like we're going to be using later for our next video. This is some other stuff that we purchased, like a Christmas thing for Too Faced, and then here's some more palettes, which are like Too Faced and Morphe. So yeah. And not the average person would have this much makeup, and the only reason why I do is because I'm a beauty YouTuber, and that's the whole point. Half of it gets sent to me and some of it I do by myself. So yeah. So please don't leave any hate comments saying how I'm bragging or I'm too young to have this much makeup. Trust me, if you're not a beauty, if you don't watch a lot of beauty videos, there's a lot more people that have a lot more makeup than me that are my age. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!